Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to go full screen in VLC Media Player. If you've ever wanted to get rid of all the distractions and watch your favorite movie or video in true immersive style, this video is for you. By the end of this guide, you'll know every quick shortcut to maximize your viewing experience. And hey, you might even pick up a couple of tips along the way that'll save you time in the future. So let's dive right in. First things first, going full screen in VLC is really easy. But there are a few different ways to do it depending on your device, and I'll walk you through each method so you can choose what works for you. Let's start with the quickest way if you're on Windows or most PCs. All you need to do while your video is playing in VLC is simply press the F11 key on your keyboard. That's it. This toggles what VLC calls the full screen interface. What this actually means is that it hides all those extra menus, toolbars, and buttons, so your video takes up the entire screen without anything getting in the way. The difference is immediately noticeable. No title bar, no playback buttons, just pure video. It's perfect for movies, presentations, or even those YouTube rabbit holes when you just want to focus on what's on screen. Now, if you're watching on a Mac, things are slightly different, but just as simple. The shortcut on Mac is Control plus Command plus F. I know, it's a couple more keys, but trust me, once you get the hang of it, it just becomes second nature. You'll press Control, Command, and the F key all at the same time. Give it a try, it works exactly the same way, hiding everything except your video for that true cinema feel. If you ever find yourself accidentally clicking out of full screen or the interface pops back up, don't worry. Just hit the shortcut again and you'll dive right back in. Now here's a pro tip that not everyone knows about. Even when you're in full screen mode, VLC might still show some controls like the playback bar along the bottom. If you're after that completely clean, distraction-free look, you can press Control plus H while in full screen. This hides all the playback controls for you, making sure nothing blocks your view. This is especially useful if you're showing a video to friends, watching something on a projector, or just want that as if you're in a movie theater vibe. And don't worry, if you need to see the controls again, just press Control plus H a second time to bring them back. Sometimes it takes a moment for VLC to adjust the window to full screen, especially if you're switching between monitors or dealing with different video sizes. That's totally normal, just give it a second. VLC is working behind the scenes to optimize your display. If you ever want to exit full screen, you can use the same shortcut or just press the S key and you'll be right back to the regular window with all your menus and options. So that's really all there is to it. F11 for Windows, Control plus CMD plus F for Mac, and that super handy Control plus H for hiding the controls. Using these shortcuts not only gives you a cleaner viewing experience, but it also helps you control VLC like a real pro. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit that like button. Drop a comment below if you have any questions about VLC or if there's another media trick you'd like to learn next. And of course, subscribe for more useful tutorials. There's plenty more tips coming your way. Thanks for watching and happy viewing.